My heart is weary, waiting, waiting for the May, waiting for the pleasant rambles where the fragrant hawthorn brambles with the woodbine alternating scent the dewy way. My heart is weary, waiting, waiting for the May. With longing, longing for the May, longing to escape from study to the young face fair and ruddy, and the thousand charms belonging to the summer's day. Oh, my heart is sick with longing, longing for the May. My heart is so sighing, sighing for the May. Ah, my heart is pain with throbbing, throbbing for the May, throbbing for the seaside billows, all the water wooing willows, wearing, laughing, ending, sobbing, glide the streams away. My heart is throbbing, throbbing for the May, waiting, sad, dejected, weary, waiting for the May. Spring goes by with wasted warnings, moonlit evenings, sunbright mornings. Summer comes, yet dark and dreary, life still ebbs away.